Hey guys, Geordie from Vhedia here, just showing you our universal single DIN. This is the MT2020. What's cool about this is for older vehicles, for example, today we're in a 1993 Suzuki Vitara. So it doesn't have a lot of space at the back to do like a whole fascia replacement. But as you can see, it tilts. So we can tilt the screen up, to the side, and you can still access your aircon controls there. So this is for something that, you know, to be able to have an updated infotainment system in an older vehicle that doesn't really allow for a lot of room to have an in-place fascia. What's good is it's got your Apple CarPlay wireless and Android Auto. So for example, I've got the CarPlay here and going through telling you everything, got everything there for you, your messages and whatnot. And then if you go back to your home screen, you've got your maps and things like that. You've got your other apps, Facebook, Messenger, Netflix. So if you're camping and you've got signal, you can chill out. Yeah, also this one we've added our aftermarket reverse camera. Give me a second. It's a little bit noisy. So a quick 2-second boot up time, go into reverse, it's trying to connect to your auto, and there's your 1080p reverse camera. And it's automatically connected to the Apple CarPlay that's wireless. So one other thing to mention is you've also got behind here, you've got your internal mic, USB, and your little reset hole if you ever need it as well. So as I said, like there is space, you can still use your aircon controls and whatnot. But for example, this customer specifically wanted a large head unit replacement. Cheers guys.